Welcome to making your temperature box for graphs, and this is how we did it. We have a power, a temperature sensor, which you can collect data in Fahrenheit or Celsius by a little switch on the front here. We have a wire, and we have a number, and we have it collecting it in values so that we can have numbers read. So when you snap these together, the great thing about little bits is you know you've got the circuit correct because the magnets will connect to each other. The question is do you have the correct input and outputs? So when I turn this on, it's going to start to read the temperature in my house. So right now it's saying my basement is 66 degrees Fahrenheit. Here is our box, our temperature box. This was quickly made, but it will give you the idea and the premise behind the power of allowing students to create their own temperature gauge, because they have to think about a few things. One, where do I put the temperature sensor, and does that affect my data? Two, does the size of the box or the temperature box really matter? And does my data change compared to somebody else's data? And if so, what is different between our two creations? So this is just a very simple box, hole cut out in the back for our temperature gauge where our temperature sensor sits, and then in the front it is our number. And as you saw before, my one without the box was 66 degrees Fahrenheit. This one reads 71 degrees Fahrenheit. I wonder what the difference is. Maybe it's the box. Maybe it's my setup. Maybe my temperature sensor is not fully open to its surroundings compared to our setup here. So these are all questions that can be asked in a lesson to engage your students in higher order thinking, problem solving, but also allowing them creativity in the classroom with little bits. Good luck, have fun, and hopefully we'll see your projects tweeted out or shared on social media of what your students have done with little bits.